In the morning analysis for gold, I asked you to buy gold at 1748 and see it has achieved 1759 levels. Also, US 30 and US 100 are getting the support at 33,800 and 11,600 are trying to rise. Now, what to expect today with the US cash session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and towards the end Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Now look at the hourly charts of gold. It is certainly breached this support. It was consolidating in this zone and then has given a good drop. However, look at this. It is still trying to take the support from 1750. Now 1750 is a major support for gold, below which again we may see a little more bearishness. What we saw yesterday, achieving the highs at 1764, it has seen a good lows at 1740. Now it has achieved the highs at 1760 and trying to reverse again. Hence you need to be cautious of 1750 levels, below which you can again expect that we might see 1747, 1745 and 1740 levels. 1740 certainly is an extremely good support. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards here. The MACD is trying to converge here, crossover for a sell entry, and the RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, it has erased the gains for the last 4 candles and have pared the previous close of this third candle. At the same time, lower highs are seen here. We have to wait for it to breach past 1740 for confirmation of little bearishness. Below that, certainly 1747, 45 is the good support, and then below that 40 levels again. So same indication, same observation. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic was overbought, looking little bit downwards here, indicating little bearishness. The MACD here is trying to converge again, and the RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts, confirm it for a reversal. Once it trades beyond 1758, confirm it for a reversal there. So in between 1750 and 58, now do not trade. That is what we can confirm from the charts. Above 1758, it is going to fly past 1765 levels. Directional movement is modestly bullish. It is trying to converge again. Stochastic on the 3-hour charts now again come back to overbought levels. At the same time, the MACD is in green, trading in the bullish zone, but it is trading with very little divergence. The candle size is not hardly not there. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. See lower highs, lower lows. That is what we can see here on the charts. But at the same time, this candle, if it breaches past 1758, confirm it for a breakout, and then we can see it flying high. Till the time it trades below this, certainly the next candle I will wait for. It may try to attempt and achieve, and this time if it breaks 1740, it may give a very strong break on the downside. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. The stochastic is looking upwards, indicating little more bullishness. The MACD is in green, the RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, the candle is yet. It has given a bottom at 1740, trading with the support at 1740. Lower highs are done 1760 levels, again proving out to be a good resistance. So this zone is, one has to be extremely cautious in between this. Yes, for the on the charts, if you see it trading above 1758, then you can buy, and below 1750 you can initiate a sell entry, but then expect 1747 first support, 1745 next support, and then 1740 levels. Below 1740 it is going to give you a very strong drop. Hence take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not trade between 1750 and 1758 zone. For this $8, stay away from gold. Above and below you can expect a little more drop and rise. Confirm bearish entries only below 1740 levels. If it trades below 1740, confirm this for a sell, and then you can expect a good drop. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts in January. Book your seats now itself and reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the video and channel description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Only reach out to the official handles mentioned in the email and Telegram channel description and video description. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Tech 100, after consolidating for a while, failed to go past the highs. It has given a breakout. This is the first breakout candle, and it has again come back to the support level 11,600. Very good support. Below that you can expect 11,550 and 500 levels, which are the next support levels. So 11,500 11,600 you should wait for, rather I will say 11,590 you should wait for. Below 11,590 you can expect 11,550 and 500 as the good support levels where you can expect the next target to be. At the same time, if you see it trading beyond 11,670, you can again buy Nasdaq 100 and then you can expect 710, 760 levels. Directional movement diverging again for a bearish move. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, again it has given a breakout here. Flat top almost, and now this is the first red candle. I'll wait for 11,590 to be breached. Below that certainly more bearishness can be expected. Then 11,550, 500 are the targets. On the upside, if you look at lower highs are seen, and then on the upside if it breaks beyond 11,660, 670 zone, certainly you can expect it to breach past 11,710, 760 levels. Directional movement crossing over for a bearish move. Stochastic looking downwards indicating little bearishness. The MACD is in green and trying to converge here. If it crosses over for a sell entry, confirm that we have to stay short. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. If you connect the dots, it is in fact breached the lows of the previous 2 candles, and see lower highs are seen. So once it trades beyond this zone at 11,670, you can expect that it is going to reverse strongly, and then a stronger green candle can be expected. At the same time, below 11,590, certainly more bearishness is confirmed. So same levels what we saw on the other charts. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking downward. The MACD is in red trying to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see, previous candle was a doji with a higher highs, lower lows, and this time in fact it has breached the lows of the previous candle, indicating little more bearishness. But at the same time, it is failing to go past the lows which it has seen. This was the reversal indication. Since then it has given lower highs and flat bottom, and hence I will wait for it to breach past 11,590 levels. Below that certainly more bearishness can be expected. Till the time it trades above 11,590, you have to remain cautious. At the same time, 11,670 levels, if it breaches, certainly you can expect higher highs to be achieved at 11,720, 11,760 levels, and then beyond that it will fly. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish trying to converge. The RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, lower highs are done. That is what it appears. 11,700 again going to be a good resistance, which we talked about yesterday in analysis. 11,700 is a very good resistance. Again, beyond that certainly 11,720, 760, and then it will fly till towards 11,800, 880 levels. At the same time, now look at this. See, multiple candles getting supported 11,550, 500. Then this is the 550 levels, and now it is again coming to 600. So yes, if you see it trading below 11,590, you can sell there. Expect 11,550 as the good support, and then 500 levels to be seen. Below that a stronger break can be expected. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over for a sell here, and this is the second red candle. It may continue with this bearish momentum. RSI looking downwards. Considering this sell at 11,590, buy at 11,670 for this 80 points. Do not trade, and above you can expect that it may try to hit 11,700, 720. If these two are taken, then 11,760, and then beyond that it will fly high. Below 11,690, below 11,590, you can expect 11,550, 500, and then below that more bearishness can be expected. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 on the hourly charts, a sharp drop, retracement, and then a sharp drop. Lower lows are done. And if you consider this as a channel, you will find that 33,750 is a good support, and then 33,950 is a good resistance. For these 200 points, we may see little more swings there. On the upside, definitely you can buy at 33,900, but then expect 33,950 as the major resistance. Beyond that, consider this for a good reversal. 34,000, 34,080 levels cannot be denied. On the downside, 33,750 is a good support. Below that, we may see a very good fall, which might in fact take it further down. Remember, on the hourly charts, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, getting the support here. Directional movement is divergent bearish. Stochastic looking downwards here, and it appears to be bearish. The MACD is trying to converge here. It is in green. Let's see if it crosses over for a sell. RSI again looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see, lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this channel. Probably it has taken the support at the right levels, and above 33,900, 33,920, certainly we may see a breakout on the upside. Below 33,750, certainly you can expect a good draw for 33,700. Now remember, 33,700 levels also very good support levels here, and 33,600, 33,700, 33,500. So this zone is going to be extremely important for Dow Jones. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bearish on the 2-hour charts. It may try to converge. It has seen the lows there, but again trying to diverge here, indicating bearishness. RSI is looking downwards, indicating bearishness here again. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, drop, retracement, drop. Now it appears that it is trying to trade extremely bearish, and the channel is sharp enough for it to take it for 33,600 levels. Also, once it breaks beyond 33,770, 33,750, you can stay short for 33,700, 33,600 and 33,500 levels. On the upside, beyond 33,920, you can buy and then expect it to rise for 33,950, 34,000 levels. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. And if you look at the stochastic, this is comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, this is appears to provide a good red candle. Drop, retracement, drop, and the lows probably are little far away. If you consider this, then you can expect 33,700 levels to provide a very good support for the day. So below 33,750, at least you'll get 50 points out there. The directional movement on the 4-hour charts is still divergent and bearish. The stochastic trading at bottom, the MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bearish, but it appears it has achieved the peak. So from here, it must start to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, see, previous was the first breakout candle, and now it is formed a wick and trying to drop here, probably 33,750. Good support. Below that, you can expect another round of good drop for 33,600, 33,500 levels cannot be denied. The directional movement so far was bullish. It is trying to converge a bit here. The RSI is looking downwards, and the MACD is again crossed over. This is divergent, this is bearish, indicating little more bearishness there. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, I'll recommend you to buy at sell at 33,750 and buy at 33,900. In between these 150 points, do not trade for this 150 points. Below 750, you can expect 700. 600, 500 levels can be seen today itself. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.